We had an awesome time at Evergreen Speedway. The award ceremony is towards the end of this video, and it is something to behold. All right, it was just stick around. You gotta check that out.
Look at this. Beautifully nice and come right off the back. Wheel carefully. Get that one. Wheel. Get one wheel. Get the wheel. There we go. Get in there. Nice and tight. There you go. Two squad. Give up those guys. Again, Doom Squad consists of John Williams. The rest of the field out of John. John and the wheel. Super shooters with proximity is definitely there. Again, another great lap by the squad though. Consistency is key. Bring it around. The first DriftCon of the year, so they got the automatic fire on into the top 8. Clean and up in it. Up in it. So it's neat. We're going to follow as you say, there's a little bit more of a gap established between the first two. Let's see if they can clear that up. That's going to change the game. Pretty good. Oh, yeah. Pretty similar runs between the two teams. Not perfect, but either one. gonna chase the drop a little bit. Like an Oreo cookie with the bottom one. It's a very big play, but it's really not. Naomi wants you to also know that their cat, its name is B, as in like a bzzz. Let the Goose Squad, what's the name? I don't know.
I don't see it.
Down there.
Oh, yeah, I see it.
All right, legislators here. Oh, welcome. Well, nice of you guys joined us. We got another animal? All right, we got animals all over the grid up here. Animals galore. We got a dog too. We got a dog and a cat, so let's see how this plays out.
Dog and a cat.
Welcome to the Evergreen Zoo. How was your day? Did you enjoy your day watching Driftin? Did Daddy do good? Did you do a good job? We don't know who second place is yet.
Few moments later.
Alright, give it up for your third place team, Ratchet Slayers, everybody. Bring it up forward.
20 minutes later.
I'm not sure what's going on.
Alrighty,
Okay.
we're ready to do this. Sorry about that. There's a big difference in money between first and second place, so we wanted to verify. And the judges took off real quick, and so we didn't want to second guess ourselves and mess that up. So I apologize. That is totally on me here. And I did not think the judges were going to take off on me. So I apologize to everybody. Thank you for waiting in the rain.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So we've been waiting for like 10 minutes for the judges to make the decision on the winner.
I'd say half hour.
A half hour, maybe. I don't know. The judges disappeared or something. It's weird.
One eternity later.
So, second place is going to go to 3 drivers with mostly black cars. That's going to be 36 Mafia. You guys are going to walk with $825. That means first place is going to go to Goon Squad. So, we got Leon here, we got Chase, and we got Hank. Congratulations on that third place, bringing home that $825. We'll put it in all day today, especially Chase doing both. Very positive there. So give it up for them. That is 3-6 Mafia. Let's get Goon Squad up here. Goon Squad is going to walk away with $1,650. Big win for Goon Squad. Let's get those boys up here. Here you go. John. So we got another team is like all J's. This is interesting. Just like Rams is like all J's. Jeez, it's like I was calling them J Crew, so I don't know. So like Goon Squad is J Squad? I don't know. Congratulations to Goon Squad winning this team tandem here at DriftCon 2020, bringing home $1,650. Toughed it out all day here in the rain. I highly appreciate it.
All right, everybody, thank you for waiting so patiently and braving the weather day with us.
So, did this make up for the very odd pro-am we had? Yeah, when I heard and bring the other car and then draw the other car?